Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Ramkey 1 Gen Next, a premium residential development located in Uppal, one of the Hyderabad's fastest growing residential and commercial hub. So if you are looking for a modern home with excellent connectivity, lifestyle amenities and a strong investment potential, then this project is definitely worth considering. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Ramkey 1 Gen Next is a premium residential project by Ramkey Estate designed to offer a perfect combination of modern living, comfort and convenience. The development features contemporary architecture, beautifully landscaped open spaces and thoughtfully planned homes that cater to the needs of modern families. The project offers spacious 2 and 3 BHK residences within a secure gated community along with a wide range of lifestyle amenities and recreational facilities. From wellness spaces to community zone, everything has been planned to create a comfortable and future-ready living experience. And one of the biggest advantage of Ramkey 1 Gen Next is its strategic location in Uppal. Uppal metro station is just around 10 minutes away, while Uppal Ring Road can be reached in 5 minutes. Major employment hubs like Infosys campus in Pocharam and Genpact are around 15 minutes from the project. And when it comes to lifestyle amenities, Ramkey 1 Gen Next offers everything you need for a balanced and active lifestyle. Residents can enjoy a grand entrance lobby, swimming pool with a separate kids pool, a fully equipped gym, yoga and meditation zone, indoor games room. And now let's talk about the available configuration and pricing. So the project offers spacious 2 BHK residences with an area of approximately 1,310 square feet starting from around 75 lakh rupees onwards. For larger families, there are 3 BHK residences ranging from approximately 1,505 to 1,860 square feet with a pricing starting from around 1.05 crore rupees onwards. And please note that pricing may vary depending on the unit selected, floor preference and any ongoing offers available at the time of booking. And for buyers interested in booking a home, the developer is currently offering flexible payment plans, attractive early buyer benefits, home loan assistance from leading banks and limited period promotional offers on selected inventory. During your site visit, you will receive a detailed walkthrough of the floor plan, sample apartment layout, clubhouse and amenities, master plan, tower positioning, pricing structure and payment plan, and this helps buyer make a well-informed decision based on their requirement. So if you are looking for a premium home in Hyderabad with modern amenities, strong connectivity, excellent social infrastructure and promising long-term growth potential, then Ramkey 1 Gen Next is definitely a project that deserves a place on your shortlist. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.